Friday. Tomorrow is a markets holiday. TCS will kickstart the fourth quarter earnings season. What's the street penciling in this time? Let's find out. My colleague Anisha is joining us to walk us through the expectations. Anisha, this time around from the major, what should we expect?
While the overall expectations in the IT sector are a bit muted, TCS could perform better purely on a relative basis. The lower furloughs and the ramp-up of the BSNL deal would mean that the revenue might jump up by 1.7% if you're looking at the rupee revenue, and the dollar revenue is expected to jump up by 1.3%. There's also some recovery which we're expecting in the BFSI sector, and the manufacturing sector should continue to perform well. Margins are also expected to remain steady, maybe between 25 to 25.2%. That's because the operational efficiencies kick in, plus the subcontracting expense has been on the lower side, so that should support the margin performance. Profitability is expected to jump up by 2% sequentially, because last quarter, if you remember, there was one-off provision. That is not expected this time. In terms of the other internals, the constant currency is expected at 1.2%, though the expectations are quite varied, right from a 0.5% to 2.5% kind of range is what we have on the constant currency growth. We'll also watch out for the deal win momentum. It's expected to be steady between that $7 to $9 billion mark, aided by that $2.5 billion that they had signed with Aviva. In terms of the commentary, of course, FY25 outlook will be important to watch out for. Whether demand has bottomed out, any sense of recovery in discretionary demand is something that we will want to hear the management comment on. Deal pipeline and other headcount trends is something that gives you the idea about the growth recovery that the company is looking out for. That again becomes an important monitorable, but overall a steady set what we're expecting from TCS.
A steady set is what we're expecting from TCS this time, Anisha. Let's see exactly what the commentary delivers, and we'll see the impact on the stock as well.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.